Hi, this is Nirmal. Okay, so let's see what happened today, what's going to happen tomorrow as Perry. Okay, today fall is brutal. Okay, that is not a brutal, it's a correction. Okay, after 500 600 points rally in Nifty, it's a good thing. So, as I told in last video, 10,500 target that done. Okay, Bank Nifty also above that about 21,500, almost 22,500 is done. Okay, 20,494. Okay, so that also done. So these all the factors, the reason for the today market downfall. Another factor also down. Mainly the real thing is ICICI Bank. It's falling from its huge resistance level. Okay. So currently Bank Nifty also at resistance point, ICICI Bank also resistance point. From 380 it fallen to 345 levels. Okay, around 8% today it came down. Okay, that also one reason, and the Bajaj Twins also one reason. Okay, Bajaj Twins 4% down today. After 500 point rally, if you buy, that's your mistake. Okay, so from 3,100 it fallen to 2,900 like that levels. Okay, don't chase no Bajaj Finance. And again, SDFC failed to cross that 18502 to 60 level, not cross, close. Okay, so again it came down to 1789 levels. Okay, that's also one of the reasons for a Nifty fall. The only one good thing happened in today is SDFC Bank. They didn't fall much. Okay, near 1% only it fall. Okay, so it's almost it's tried to go up at one time. Okay, but Nifty not allowed to go up. Bank Nifty is not allowed to go up. SDFC Bank to go up. So this resistance level is same again, maintaining in 1050 target levels. Okay. And the another thing also, Reliance also is one of the reason. But one thing on Reliance is it's trading near yesterday's low. Okay, it's maintaining its yesterday's low as a support. Okay, today it went up 1770 also. In Telegram also I posted this. Airlines also started move up. Okay, so it went up by 20 to 30 points. So I hope in coming days Reliance makes some supports around for the Nifty. Okay, so Reliance will bounce back and go to 1800 like this levels in coming days. Okay, so Reliance making some supports. So what is the level for Nifty for tomorrow as well? Actually, now Nifty has a support range. Okay, 10,280 to the 300 levels, 350, 330 levels. 10,270 to 330 levels is making some support for the Nifty. Now it's close at support level. Okay, now it's close at support level. Okay. So it's a 10,327 like that is making some resistance at 291. It's making some resistance sometime. Okay, but now with it acts as some supports. Okay, now it's acting as a some support levels. So in case if it's go below 10,270 means directly it go to the next supports of 10,080 levels. Okay, the previous resistance, the previous supports. Okay, the 10,000, this previous level. Okay, this previous resistance level. Okay, so 10,080 to 10,100 is an next support for the Nifty. Okay. So keep on mind. Okay, so 10,270 is a 320 is a support. If it below, now market will go to same thing 10,080 levels. Okay. Tomorrow carefully watch these levels. Tomorrow every rise is a sell. Okay, it's a huge resistance at 10,500 on Nifty. Okay, so as of now every rise is a sell. Okay. Market now turn to the negative zone, but it will confirm tomorrow only. Okay, within a one day move we can't judge. Okay, it's a trend change or it's a trend change or anything. Okay, but tomorrow move or close will confirm that trends are changed or not. Okay, so tomorrow is closing below 10,280 250 means surely market will go up to 10,080 levels. Okay. So tomorrow reaction will tell the trend for the market in the near term. Okay. So Bank Nifty again it's closer support range. Okay, 21,300 to 500. Previous video I told 21,300 500 is a huge resistance. Now it close at that point. If tomorrow also close this point means surely it go to 20,700 levels. Okay, so tomorrow same if it's trades above with good volume above 21,500 600 means go long, otherwise short. Okay, below 21,500 600 levels short Bank Nifty. Okay. So these are the levels for the tomorrow expiry levels. So let's see what will going to happen tomorrow like that. Okay. And another thing, I hope last today Hindustan University I shared. Hope you all be trader and earn good money. Okay, and yesterday's breakdown as a jubilant food. Okay, many times I told this 174050 ranges is making some resistance. Okay, this range is making some resistance ranges. Okay, it's not close above 1750 ranges. What happened now? Yesterday is closed above 1750 ranges. Okay, so I'm always telling the huge bar will form at the resistance level. Okay, will make it doesn't support. Okay, so bar formed, it went up to my target 1800. Again due to market pressure it came down. Okay, so follow my charts, follow my videos levels, note down, it will help you sure. Okay. So tomorrow Nifty is 10,280 to 320 levels, Bank Nifty 21,500 to 600. Okay, that's making somewhat resistance. Okay, as of now. These are the things about today. Okay, subscribe my channel. Okay, for more videos. Watch our website for more updates. Bye.